Some people think that when they are looking for work is when they need to share or they need to make a portfolio either for their business or for their personal use. We go to work every day, and when we are at work, we are working on valuable things that can be of great value to people, to our friends, when we are looking for opportunity, or sometimes just for people to know what you are able to do. Your family might be able to see that, wow, this is what you were working on today. When you are working, your current project or your current product under development is the best time that you actually have materials. It's the best time you have pictures. It's the best time you have videos. It's the best time you are talking to customers and talking to friends. That is the best time that you can document. Definitely, when you are looking for work, you can still use WorkParrots, but WorkParrots is really a platform that will need your history because it's hands-on. We want all our users to be people where you are in marketing. We want to see you talk to customers. If you are in business, we want to see your business analytics. You build your portfolio on WorkParrots. You get a printable version that you can print as a brochure, but you also get a URL and a QR code, right? If you printed the brochure, if people want to scan it and see it online, they will be able to scan and see your project or see whatever portfolio you wanted to demonstrate. On WorkParrots, you can add followers. People can follow you. You can build connections, and that connection becomes your network. You can message people to find out about anything that you want. We are inviting you today to join us, to join this movement, to make sure that every post you make becomes an asset. Our vision is to make sure every post people are making on their platform becomes an asset, brings opportunity,